Hey, hello, awesome people everywhere. Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. So I got ferrites in from eBay. I am the eBay kid. These are all different sizes. So inside your circuit breaker, you put that around your main wires coming in, and you close it. You got two black, a white one, and the green wire. That'll save you from EMP. Too much electricity coming through the magnetosphere or a weapon, either way. Now, I got it from eBay on a whim, so I went back later to see who it's from, who makes it, do a little research, maybe nothing. So I did find there is a plasma physicist. He is the EMP specialist at NASA. And I can't tell you his name. I haven't seen the video in a little bit. But I did order off his site a couple weeks ago. So that's this. That's like, I think it's $350. This is the real stuff. I cannot remember if he's selling these. I'm thinking he's getting nothing for this, but these are the #1 items that he recommends, if I remember the video. I will put the video down below, and these are massive. These came in 3 days ago, and these came in today. These are the ones that's going to go inside the circuit breaker. So it's quite a difference in size. Oh, there we go. Quite a difference in size. It doesn't matter if it's bigger than your cable. It'll do the job. Supposedly, if there's an EMP or a flare from the sun, it saturates the electricity. Mega saturation, so that it gives time for the circuit breakers to pop or to open and protect all of your appliances. Even though our windows are open, but the biggest thing is the power lines are going to catch it first, and everyone's stuff is going to be ruined inside. So this way I got a better chance of not losing all my equipment. With the magnetosphere down 20% since 2000, and we lost 5% in the last 2 years. Now we got 5 years left to go. That's another 10%, right? Plus a little. So what are we looking at? 30%, 35% by solar maximum. So you're looking at 3 to 7 years. That we'll know. I'm tracking on so many different physicists right now. So now I'm watching this guy's videos. So he writes lots of books. He's got novels, science fiction, such, along with all of your NASA stuff to keep your grid hardened. So I'm going to keep hardening my grid. So you only need 4 of these, 2 of the black coming in, the green and the white right inside your circuit breaker. So there's 2 extra, and I can't imagine, I can fit my thumb in there, I can't imagine how many solar arrays, those wires, I can fit through that. So, and then again through that. But I got time to figure it out. Just make it overtime. Thank goodness for the overtime, because I have been purchasing things. So I got plenty of things to shoot videos on in the near future. So there's lots of stuff. There'll be another, I got an order from My Patriot Supply probably 2 months ago. I got 3 buckets. I think it's 30 days supply of food. It's good for 25, 30 years. Plus I got a bucket, that was 2 buckets. Plus I got a bucket of snacks, fruits and nuts. I don't know, I think it's a lot of dried fruits, but I'll start using that, and I'll start talking about the links below. I'll get that my Patriot link in there when I shoot that video. I'm not doing it yet. So I'm not here to make anything big. I'm just a solar and garden enthusiast. But once I get out to the country, I will be able to make enough to maybe get monetized someday. But I'm gonna wrap this up. That's my lunches lately. I just pulled these out of the vehicle. So, peppers, all kinds of tomatoes. I keep digging up potatoes. Non-toxic food. I can't get sick. So, that's it in a nutshell. You have a beautiful solar free food day. Yes.